Welcome to Gujarat, a land where economic progress is not just a statistic, but a vibrant reality envisioned by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel. We usher in the era of Industry 4.0, where the very fabric of industry is rewoven by technology. The government of Gujarat has launched visionary initiatives to ensure that the workforce is not just ready for Industry 4.0, but is driving it forward. The Mukhyamantri Bhavishyalakshi Kaushalya Vikas Yojana, introduced in 2022-23, is a testament to this commitment, offering training in cutting-edge courses across sectors like healthcare, automotive, green jobs, ITs, drones, electronics and hardware, and telecom. It has already empowered over 19,000 candidates. The Kaushalya Skill University, set up in Gujarat to impart futuristic skills, embedded in academic curriculum, has already trained 11,000 youth. A drone manufacturing and training center and drone remote pilot training school has been started by KSU to provide training to more than 20,000 youth every year. 20 new RPTO in ITIs are being added to achieve this feat. KSU has also collaborated with 17 organizations to set up advanced skilling centers. Under the Impact Scheme, 10,000 students from degree engineering and polytechnic stream have been trained. To empower trainers with latest technology, 8 institutes of training of trainers are being established with GIZ. As per the international benchmark, systems and technical expertise under Project Gujarat Apex Training Institutes that focuses on market-driven long and short-term courses in modern technology. Additionally, LDCE Ahmedabad, VGEC Chandkheda, GEC Modasa, COEs at GEC Bharuch and GEC Valsad and GEC Rajkot aim to set up COEs in areas such as computation and advanced software, coding, cyber physical systems, semiconductor design and advanced verification, electric vehicle, advanced manufacturing and robotics, and drone technology. Industry-based COEs have been the hallmark of Gujarat's story in skill development. 15 plus COE have been set up in institutions across the state in collaboration with 29 companies. State is also setting up 41 mega ITIs, each with 5 to 6 COEs. Mega ITIs will feature 6 to 8 sectoral centers of excellence, providing training in emerging technologies and advanced skills like industrial automation and Industry 4.0, advanced manufacturing, advanced welding and cutting technology, electrical and energy management, advanced plumbing and furniture manufacturing, IT and emerging technologies, chemical and petrochemical, etc. To make skill development inclusive, 30 women ITIs and 19 ITI for disabled have been set up. 10 local institutes of vocational excellence have been started in collaboration with industry to skill their unskilled workers. Gujarat is shaping a workforce ready to embrace the challenges and opportunities of Industry 4.0 and now gearing up for skill development in semiconductors as well by setting up School of Excellence in Semiconductor. The future belongs to those who are skilled and empowered. Mukhyamantri Apprenticeship Yojana, launched by the Government of Gujarat, offers a diverse range of skill enhancement opportunities tailored to meet the demands of the evolving job market. We are a state that converts aspirations into the employment. Gujarat is ready for laying the foundation stone for Viksit Bharat at 2047.